Tripura Montha Chief Maharaja Pradyut returned to Tripura today following his participation in the One Northeast Conference in New Delhi. Upon his arrival at MBB Airport, Bhubagra stated the future of Tripura people is more important than the future of any political party. The Supreme Court Chief Justice of India denied the Tripura government's request for an extension of time regarding the VC election issue, confirming that the crucial hearing remains scheduled for this upcoming Monday.
Bhubagra long live! Maharaja long live! Maharaja long live! Maharaja na hum bhai! Maharaja na hum bhai! Maharaja na hum bhai! Maharaja long live!
Maharaja long live! Maharaja long live! Maharaja na hum bhai! Maharaja long live! One notice long live! One notice long live! One notice long live! Maharaja long live! Maharaja long live!
Tripura Montha Party Chief Maharaja Pradyut Kishore Manikya Debarma spoke to the media upon his return from Delhi, making several key statements regarding governance, upcoming legal proceedings and the future of the Tripura community. Maharaja strongly criticized the Tripura government for the delay in conducting the village council elections. He noted that the last election was held nearly 10 years ago in 2016. The Tripura government never wanted the village council election to be conducted, Bhubagra alleged. If the government of Tripura really wanted, they could have conducted the election. Why would there be a 10-year delay today? The village council election is happening because I went to the High Court and Supreme Court. The Tripura government is still asking for an extension of time for clarification of the delay. However, the Supreme Court CJI has denied the request and the hearing is scheduled for Monday. Regarding his participation in the One Northeast Conference, he highlighted the growing solidarity among indigenous communities across the region. He stated that the Tripura people are not alone anymore, as they have the support of indigenous brothers from various communities, including the Nagas, Assamese, Khasis, Garos and Arunachalis, Boros, etc. Finally, when asked about the Tripura Accord, Bhubagra confirmed he would be meeting with the government of Tripura and its officials to discuss the matter. He noted that since the government is willing to implement the accord, he intends to monitor the process and see how they execute the agreement.
In saying the same thing, हम लोग एक ही चीज़ अलग-अलग प्लेटफॉर्म में बोल रहे हैं, as Triprasas, as Mizos, as Nagas, और हम लोग ने कभी भी as indigenous people हमने अपना आवाज़ दिल्ली में एक संग नहीं रखा है. आज त्रिपुरा अकेला नहीं है. आज त्रिपुरा के साथ नागा खड़ा है, गारोस खड़ा है, अरुणाचलीस खड़ा है, मणिपुरीस खड़ा है. हम लोग अब अकेले नहीं खड़े हैं. एसपीस हमारे साथ खड़ा है, दिमासास, बोडोस हमारे साथ खड़े हैं, क्योंकि अब नॉर्थ ईस्ट का थानसा हो.
सर,
listen, my only brand is the people. There is no brand bigger than the people and the future of our people. There is no brand bigger than that. Even the Bhubagra brand is not bigger than the brand of the Tripura people, the people of Tripura. And for me, the interest of my country, my northeast, my people, that is my brand. I don't fall in love with brands. I have fallen in love with my community, my people. And for me, that is the most important thing. और जो भी मुझे वहाँ ले जाएगा, मैं वहाँ जाऊँगा.
So, what is the future?
Tripura people is more important than the future of BJP, Tripura Montha, CPM, Congress. I was also in Congress. The future of our people is more important. I am not thinking about party. I am thinking about jati.
The village council, that case has gone to the Supreme Court. What is the latest on it?
Monday को hearing है और Monday को Chief Justice ये स्टेट गवर्नमेंट ने और समय के लिए टाइम मांगा था. चीफ जस्टिस ने वो बात को डिनाई किया है और बोला है कि आपको समय नहीं दे सकते हैं, आपको मंडे को आना पड़ेगा सुप्रीम कोर्ट में और मंडे को हियरिंग.
The chief minister after this, the chief minister said he also wills the village council election take place.
So I have gone to Supreme Court. If it was already agreed, then क्यों इतना डिले हुआ? सुप्रीम कोर्ट क्यों जाना पड़ा? हाई कोर्ट क्यों जाना पड़ा? कंटेम्प्ट नोटिस क्यों हुआ? Last election was held in 2016. 2026 is coming. राजतंत्र तो खत्म है, गणतंत्रता है. तो गणतंत्रता में हमारा तिपरासा लोगों को इलेक्शन क्यों वीसी इलेक्शन क्यों नहीं होने दिया 9 साल तक? और अगर दे वांटेड टू डू इट, कर सकते थे. मुझे सुप्रीम कोर्ट क्यों जाना पड़ा? ये हो रहा है क्योंकि उनका दिल से हो रहा है. ये हो रहा है क्योंकि हमको सुप्रीम कोर्ट जाना पड़ा.
And last question is about the accord. Any discussion in Delhi about?
I will talk to the chief minister. I will talk to the officials. They have told me they want to do it. We will see how soon they do it.
Before leaving Delhi, you had a meeting with the
Yes,
chief
I had
minister.
the meeting with him. He said that he wants to do it, and we will have a meeting, and we will see what can be done. Again, most important thing is the people. People are, you are putting, media is putting too much of focus. पार्टी का क्या होगा? अरे पार्टी कभी भी लोगों से बड़ा नहीं होता है. और अगर लोगों का समस्या को हल करना है तो पार्टी को आप डस्टबिन में डालिए, लोगों का इंटरेस्ट को आप ऊपर रखिए. त्रिपुरा, हिंदुस्तान, नॉर्थ ईस्ट का डेवलपमेंट होगा.
Sir, you had discussions with most of your leaders about this?
Yes, everybody knows क्या हो रहा है.
Emphasizing his focus, Bobagra stated that the future of Tiprasa people is more important than the future of BJP, Tipra Motha or Congress. He firmly declared the party cannot be bigger than the people. Reported by Amit from Agartala, Chinikhara.